and also known as DaintyDashBeauty on my YouTube channel, where I talk about all things beauty. And I have also a very strong passion in food, which is why I am here today at Signature Market to show you a dish which is called One Pan Hi-Fi Quinoa. You may or may not know what is quinoa, but it's actually a super nutritious food, and it can be a substitute for rice because it is high in fiber, high in protein with all the 9 essential amino acids within it, and also high in fiber, which is due to the low GI, and it is perfect for if you want to lose some weight. So let's start off right here. First of all, the ingredients, which is the main one right here. This is our Signature Market organic white quinoa right here with all the super nutritious ingredients right here. Mushrooms, tomato, and you can see we have a very beautiful selection of peppers right here. We have green peppers, yellow peppers, and also red peppers. Other than that, we also have some garlic, some onion, our special seasonings right here. We have our chicken stock that can really make the quinoa super fluffy and super delicious. We have our chicken right here, and if you don't want chicken, you are opting for a vegetarian dish, definitely you can go ahead. And also our co-star of the dish, which is Signature Market High-Fi Trail Mix right here. You have a 5 selection of nuts right here, which is not only super delicious, gives so much crunchy and texture to the dish right here, it also gives like so much of energy and also protein in it. So you have also some corn right here to give a little bit sweetness to the dish, and also some cheesy goodness to really make the cheesy dish super delicious. First of all, I'm going to be adding some olive oil right here. Just add a little bit. And next, I'll be taking my chicken right here, as you can see. This is already like marinated with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm just going to simply fry it. I'm just going to put a little bit more salt and pepper for some extra flavor. So you can see the chicken is half cooked already. And now next I'll be adding the onion. And also the pepper right here. We have our beautiful pepper. I'm just going to put all in. And also our corn. So you can see the dish is already filled with colors. I'm just going to give it a good stir. The smell is so good even before adding the seasoning. Whoops! Okay, so I'm going to put some chili. Oh my god! If you love chili, you can put more. Accidents makes the best recipe, guys. Oops. Okay, just a little bit more. And I'll be giving it a good stir again. Oh my god, the aroma. Okay. Wow, the aroma is really filling up this room right here. You know, even our production crew is like having the air. Okay, now moving on, we'll be adding our garlic, our tomato and mushrooms right here. We have wild mushrooms right here. We're just gonna add all in. Woo! I love the juicy tomatoes. So we're just gonna give it a good stir. As you can see, this dish is super healthy because the amount of vegetables you're eating, and can give your kids to eat it because it's like not really much green inside it, so it's like yummy. Okay, this is looking good. And now for our main star right here, we are going to put our quinoa right here. So I'm just gonna pour all over in. So beautiful. And also we're gonna put this chicken stock inside. So this chicken stock will really make the quinoa super fluffy, and it's also going to be helping it to really cook thoroughly. I'm just going to add. Make sure you mix it well so that it distributes like even throughout. Now at this part, as you can see, one pan, it is super easy. So what you're going to do, you're just going to put your lid on, and this can go for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, we add a little bit more spices and some extra things to it, and basically it will be done. Okay, so now, dun, 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 dun. Ooh, oh my god, so hot. Okay, I can literally do a facial right here. You can see the quinoa is already almost fully cooked, and now we'll be adding our cheesy goodness. Just gonna put all the cheese right here. I'm just gonna spread everything out nicely, and I'm gonna close the lid so that everything can really melt away. And last but not least, we have our signature market high five trail mix right here. We have macadamia, walnut, cashew, pecan, and also one more almond. So it is very high dietary fiber, high antioxidant, good for brain health, basically all good. Now I'm gonna be adding this and it will we're gonna be adding this and this will be giving so much crunch, you know. I'm just gonna put all because we love nuts. And I'm just going to wiggle it around and basically, oh my god, it smells so good. Basically this is done. I'm already so hungry. I'm just going to get a little bit on here. Ooh. Now let's do some taste then. I'm gonna get the nuts, cheese, also the chicken. Big mouthful and super hot. Okay, now my tongue is officially burnt. We will try one more time. I'm gonna blow. Test. Oh my god. Big mouth lah. So delicious. I get the crunchiness of the nuts and also the peppers. And the chicken right here is so nice. And the quinoa is so fluffy. It's just so good. You definitely should try this. And we have come to the end of this video right here. I hope you guys give this recipe out a try. It is super easy, super quick and super nutritious as well, using our signature market white organic quinoa and also our signature market high five trail mix right here. And don't forget to try this out. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video if you enjoyed. All the recipe and also social media links of my YouTube channel and also the signature market social media will be down in the description box below. And yeah, that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed this video once again and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye!